Hi there guys, welcome to this very short series of videos where I'm going to show you exactly how to place the exact trades that we send through in our Telegram community. Now, for those of you who've never seen me before, you've no idea who I am. My name is Bradley Marchant. I've been trading now for the last 9 years full time, and we've put together an amazing group of over 2,500 people worldwide who are taking our trades day in, day out. We send an average of 5 to 7 trades per day with a win ratio of up to 94% week in, week out. Now, obviously, past profits do not guarantee future results. You have to take some ownership of pressing buy or sell. And that's what these series of videos are going to do for you. I'm going to show you how to set it up on your iPhone, how to set it up on an Android. I'm going to show you how to log into the broker, how to modify the trades, how to do every single thing from your smartphone so that you can do this whilst trading with freedom. A lot of people, as you're watching this right now, you might be at work, you might be looking after the little one, you might be spending time with family. We're not expecting you to be sat there for 14, 15 hours a day in front of the charts with 6 monitors in front of you. We want you to be able to do this around your current commitments and be able to trade with ease. So guys, strap yourself in, grab a notepad, grab a pen, and spend the next 20, 30 minutes learning exactly how to set up so that you never need to do this again.